Suma ubumfube miunyanka nasuna kachio uye bribia eyareniye moriasi ye ubekuwa enwa na ubecha eyareniye obinu akwadu nkwocha bodie eyareniye obrabani se wobro penti eyareniye misihwe onafu famu ye wati eyareniye we are one year, Eddie Wenny Munti, Ayareniye. We are Papa Swasa, Ayareniye. Abrabawa, Yamo, Maminia, Ayareniye. She and your son, Oria Simu, Ayareniye, Oria Simu.
Are you married?
Well, I told you once that I used to be a married man. But since my divorce, on the grounds of adultery, that's on the part of my wife, I've lived as a single man ever since, you see. But I have one confession to make. And that is, you are the one who stole lonely heart.
You know, you're such a kind man, and I just don't understand. Why does my mom hate you so much?
Oh, that's the point, you see. I would have loved sleeping dogs to lie. But, Diamond, since you brought it up, I just have to tell you. I have to tell you the truth, now or never. See? I think your mother loves you.
Alaji, How can you say such a thing like that? What makes you think my mom likes you while she knows you're dating me?
Exactly. That's the point. You see, you can't be too sure. Some mothers can betray and even destroy their own daughters. And your mother could be one. I'm telling you. Well, I hope if I should tell you this, you won't get angry. It wouldn't get to you. Your mother told me right in my face that she loves me and that I should stop going out with you because you're a student, you're a young girl, and that I should stop going out with you. The relationship should stop so that we can move together. And I can move in with her so that we can live as man and wife. But you know what? I put my foot down. I said never, never. I will never stop with you. Impossible. I refused, my dear. I refused totally.
I see. I now know why my mom hates you so much.
So you think you've grown enough to talk to me anyhow, eh?
wano menti susuma ubumfu bay. Mi unyanka nesuna kachio. Uye bribia eyare niye moria simu. Okoto NWO ANOMA menti susuma ubumfu bay. Mi unyanka nesuna kachio. Uye bribia eyare niye moria simu.
Diamond.
Yes, Mom.
Diamond, I want to tell you something. Promise me that you're not going to be upset.
What is it?
It's about Alaji. We were once dating. That was before you came from the village.
Look, I don't believe you at all. As you can see, I'm trying to concentrate.
Did you just hear what I said? I said, the Alaji that you were in love with was once my man. We were lovers.
So what do you expect me to do? Laugh or cry? Look, I don't believe you because I know my mother would be so naive into pushing me to sleep with a man she already dated. No one will believe you.
It's true. I have a proof of that. Diamond. Oh my goodness, God. I could have baby. Hey, Ayaka. I didn't tell me to have a cash and I
said, what did you buy so sadly? Nakonia Yankura? Son, you see a kind. I want Mamma. Who rat now, Sua. I find now, Tano, or Tanunaraqua. Miss me no Yanka, dear, and near draw, baby. What did you buy so sad in Nakonia Yankura? Say when you see a kind, a woman, well, who art now, Consua, I find now, Tano, or Tanunaraqua. OKOTO NWO ANOMA menti susuma.
Good day, Ma. Is there any food for me today?
Don't walk in here and be calling me mom, okay? I'm not your mother. Am I your mother? Am I your mother? I'm asking you. Huh? Don't walk in here again and call me mom. See, I'm looking at my son, but why? I'm your mate, right? Because you're me shit. You know that she go, but why? We sleep with the same man. Don't come in here and call me your mother.
Mom, this is not fair. Why don't you understand that Alaji means everything to me apart from God and you? He's the only one that keeps me going, and I can't simply forget about him just like that.
And dare not call me mother, right? Dare not walk in here and call me mom or ask me for your food. I'm not your mother, right? I didn't make down. When you could drop it down with me, the shit, not swash it. But what? You see, you didn't want some crew. Yes, you know. And yes, I. I was watching of the one. Now I forget. And they are coming. Mom, come here and call me mom. What the Jimmy saw, and the Jimmy Baba so. Hey, girl, what do you think you are doing? Huh? What do you think you are doing?
I'm cooking. For us.
Cooking for who? Who asked you to cook? How can I help you eat from the hands of a daughter who doesn't respect? I'm sorry.
I don't understand.
As long as you continue to fool around with Alaji, consider yourself my enemy, right? In fact, go to his house and cook for him. This is my house and everything belongs to me, right? Come on. That's it. That's all I want. wants you to touch my things? What exactly do you need from me? Huh? What do you want from me? Who asked you to wash the things? Have I asked you? How did you do that?
Mama, I always wash your clothes for you, so what difference does it make if I wash them today?
Not now. It was when I considered you as a daughter. At the moment you are a married woman. We are all married the same man. So I don't want you to touch my things, okay? Don't be touching me again. Don't touch me again. Nonsense. Next time you let the son out of this foolish girl. Stupid fool. You see, I don't know what I'm about. It wasn't so big. So what did I make a channel? Who are your driver? Stupid. He'll be back.
You know what, Diamond? I want you to forget about that man for now, right?
Why?
Diamond, you wouldn't understand. In fact, he had wanted to marry you, but I thought he was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him. Okay? Sweetheart, I'm not tired. You know how you feel, but just forget about him for now, right? Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age, right? So that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
Okay, Mommy. If that's what you want me to do,
That's my girl.
I'll forget about him.
Thank you so much. Come on. Yeah. That's my sweet girl. Thank you very much, okay? Good. Now get inside. And what were you? Diamond. As you can see, we can't be here like that. And we can't go back to the village too.
So what do we do?
In fact, the situation now depends on you alone. Solely on you. Do you remember that Alaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
In fact, he has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Mother! Are you selling me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous. I'm disappointed, please.
Okay. Then go on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. But then we can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. Eh? I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he's our only hope.
wealthy man asked him to buy you a television. This is mine.
You like that? Point of correction. This TV belongs to Alaji, not you. If you're looking for a husband, go back to the village. Your husband is waiting for you there. Alaji will always be mine and mine forever.
You this girl. Are you crazy? You are crazy, eh? Do you want to compete with me? And let me tell you, there is no way that you can ever compete with me, right?
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look at you, an old woman, competing with me over a man who doesn't feel anything for you. Look at this delicious body, at this Taraban's body. You can compete with me in your wildest dreams. I feel sorry for you.
Are you trying to insult me? Are you here to insult me? Huh?
Mom, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again. Open your mouth. Dare open your mouth again. And I will slap you. Stupid fool. Shampoo. Kola kitwa ni ọba mi pẹ na ọsọ pẹ. Mẹbọ a, diẹ mi di yẹ ẹ na ọsọ pẹ sọ ọdi bi. Kola wọle. Ẹni tí a máa mọ yẹ yẹ di a, yẹ wọ piripiri. Yíyẹ kú di a yẹ na ọsọ ọdi bi. Kọsi di. Sa shampoo kẹkẹrẹ. Stupid fool.
I feel sorry for you. Oh lady pancake. Wait, chipons is ade I'm glad to say. Oh lady bongo. Look at this old lady, oh. What time it came? Go and look for a man of your own. Your husband is waiting for you in the village. Go back. Go back. I feel sorry for you.
Diamond. This time is good. Anita, why have you frowned your face? I hope there is no problem.
Alaji, I haven't uttered a word since you came. Don't call for trouble this afternoon. Don't call for trouble. If you are here to pick your so-called wife, just pick her and go away. It's my face. I can choose to do whatever I like to it.
Oh, thank you for accepting the fact that she is my so-called wife. But one thing I don't understand is, why are you jealous? Huh? Why are you jealous? You want to compete with that beautiful daughter of yours? Eh? Look, Anita, accept defeat so that peace can prevail. Huh? Oh yes, here comes my beautiful queen. Queenie Gonda. Diamonds are forever. See that? Okay.
See you, mommy.
See you wouldn't need me with you, so that's it. See you wouldn't need and no was sing.
You're too jealous. Jealousy.
I was just knocking on the gate because it's locked.
Yes, I locked it. And as you can see, I'm very tired. And I hate to be disturbed in the middle of the night.
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself. As a matter of fact, I am not going to let you in this house tonight. I'm not a gate woman.
But man, it's only 11:30.
Oh. For hawkers and horse like you, it's not late. But for some people like me, it's as late as midnight. Nonsense. Come on, go back to where you came from. I'm not going to open it today or tomorrow for you.
Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy, please.
For what I'm
Oh, mommy, are you serious? Oh, mommy. How can you be this heartless? Where did she expect me to go to this night? Mommy! Mommy, so you won't open a gate for me?
It's so nice, isn't it? It's so beautiful. I like it.
I prefer this ice cream to every other high school.
Now you're enjoying it. Enjoying it so much.
Guess what?
Tell me.
You know, my mother actually locked me out of the house last night. I had to go and sleep at the old roof opposite my house. Can you imagine?
Hello, mother. So that woman can be so heartless.
She's even warned me to end the relationship with him because I said no. She has stopped me from using her cooking utensils.
Look, Diamond. You are leaving that house. You are leaving that house. You see, that mother of yours, I cannot trust her anymore. Never. No, I'm going to get a very decent apartment for you. Okay? So that you'll be on your own. Look, if this thing goes on or continues, it will affect your studies. Look, my sweetheart, you are leaving. You are leaving.
Oh, sweetheart.
Of course, I have the money. I can get a nice place for you.
Take it easy. You know she's still my mother. And she'll always remain my mother. So...
No. Diamond, no. You need your privacy. You need your privacy so that you can study. Also, if it goes on like this, it will affect your studies. Okay? But as for your mom, Diamond, you must leave. You must leave the house.
Anyway, let me spend the night at your house because I know she won't open the gate for me at this time of the night.
Oh, sweetheart, sit down, let's go.
let's go.
Where do you think you're going?
It is none of your business where I go, since I'm with the one I love. You now treat me as your mate than your daughter. I think I better move into my husband's house, okay?
Let's go! Check your husband indeed. Have you seen what you've got? Huh? Anaji, have you seen?
Cost what? What have I cost? What have I cost? If it hadn't been for your jealousy and your wickedness, you would have lived in this house under the same roof with your daughter in peace and harmony. Come on, let's go. Come on.
You want to follow him?
Sure, let's go. This way.
Wow, shit. I said my mother's in bed inside there.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, you are a shameful person. Will you work some bravo?
So, my dear, do you like your new place?
Hey, it's heaven on earth. I can never thank you for what you've done for me.
In fact, I should be saying that. You know what I mean? I should be saying that. And the way you're so tender and very, beautiful. I'm falling so much in love with you.
I've fallen so much in love with you. You're my first man and I intend to be with you forever.
Really, thank you so much.
Come on, give me a kiss. I love you.
I love you too.
That's right. As I know you, any journey. Mr. Richia, Mamma Bread, and she said, Minusumana. I said the same.
There's some for you, my young papa.
Now, what do we have trouble with the park? And then the person who was at war. Oh, we are made. Who can't do what I say?
It don't can have seconds crown out. No more can DCG for them. We can have the office on the back.
So, I can't do what I say. So, Benin, no was I don't know. What's it? So, Benin, no what did you like Bella? I don't know. Papa Chinana, and you know. Me, Ginny be been a phone, Sienna, some man.
You know, Yamakasetia.
Not me, you're a so, make us all when I got one. And then I made me.
Who's my brother? Let me discredit Namiko.
Yeah.
Subayano.
Now you're disconnected like Nana. We want them all.
Katia near draw babia. What did you buy Susadi Nakonia Yankura? Son you see a kind. I want Mamma. We're rats now, Swa.
Look, Anita, you've made another big mistake again. I mean, how can you drive your only daughter out of the house?
Stella, it was humiliating. Very humiliating. I mean, watching my own daughter sleeping with another man that I have befriended. You should also understand.
I won't understand you today, not tomorrow.
Whose fault was it?
Huh? Anita, whose fault was it? If you had not pushed the little girl into sleeping with Alaji, all this wouldn't have happened. And after pushing her, you turn around and molest her. It's just not fair.
At least you should have also stopped for the first time. At least you should have also ended the relationship for the first time.
She's also a human being with feelings. And she never believed you when you said Alaji was once human.
So, what do I do? I need advice. What do I
do? Look, you have no option but to apologize to her. She's your daughter, for Christ's sake. Just reconcile with her and have a good relationship with Alaji, that's all.
Would you accompany me to her?
Of course. Okay. You know I'm always willing to help you. Let's go. Let's go!
Look, Diamond, if I were you, I wouldn't move back into that house. That mother of yours, she's so unpredictable, you wouldn't know where the problem will arise from next.
Look, she looks stubborn than before. I feel she's come to understand that we're inseparable. So let's just give her a chance, please.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy. You see, but she's your mother. And like the saying goes, blood is thicker than water. So I have no problem if you think that's best for you, okay?
Thank you so much for understanding.
You're most welcome.
Okay, so I'm gonna get my manicure and pedicure done. You can pick me up, let's say, 1 hour?
No, that's all right with me.
All right, so I love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Bye.
Look at me, you know. Look, I got a surprise for you. See this car key? It's a key to one of my cars. And that's the car you are leaning on. You see? I want to hand over this car to you so that you can use it. It is for you. Okay? Yeah. You like it? This is the car I bought. Brand new. I bought this car all the way from Ontario. Yeah. And I hope you like it. Yeah. I want you to have it on the condition that you can let me have Diamond. So that we can all live in peace and harmony. Okay? Take the key. Take the key. Take the key. And also, I also have a check for you. A check for 150 million cedis. You see, this is in a way to compensate you for everything, so that you can allow me have Diamond for myself. Take it. Take it. It's 150 million cedis. But please, I want you to do something for me. Don't tell your daughter I gave you 150 million cedis. Just tell her I gave you 30 million cedis, so that everything will be there and there, you know. Okay? You need to do that for me. You like it? So it's a deal, so that peace can prevail, isn't it? Cheers, thank you too.
You should have told us to come home today. Hey, come here, teaser to be. And that's Reverend Pine Phobia. So I'm present the Asos also.
Anytime you know me.
Oh, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Beautiful.
So, what do I offer you? You have everything here.
Don't worry, I'm alright. And I'll be going to the office to meet some clients in an hour's time, so. But where is my sweetheart?
Diamond,
Yes.
you know her and her novel syndrome. She's in there reading another one. Maybe I should call her for you.
Yeah, alright.
Just a second. I'll just call her so that she keeps your company for you right now. Yeah.
glass, arrow glass.
Oh, my God.
Baby, my sweetest. Oh, you're looking good.
How are you?
Lovely. Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
how is my man?
Your man is doing so well. You're looking so sweet. Lovely.
But, you know, I'll need a car of my own. But anyway, thanks for putting my mom back in business. She showed me the check he gave her, the 30 million check.
Oh, I see. Your mom.
But I'll you know, I'll need a car of my own.
Sweetheart, you don't need a car now. Look, after graduating from school, buy a beautiful car of your own choice.
Is that a promise?
It's a pledge.
Anyway, what are we going to do today?
Anything. I'll take you out to lunch and we shall pass through the office so I can see some clients in just about an hour. Do that.
Okay, then let me grab my bag.
Cheers. Do that, do that. Soft. That will come. Arrow glass. Look at this one. Beautiful thing. And you want to compete with. Well, it's good. Everything is cool.
Larry, I called you here to apologize for what happened the other time.
Oh my, it's okay. It's okay. It's understandable. I mean, any mother would have done that, so I understand. And probably I should have done it in a better way. So I'm the one who is sorry.
Young guys of today, they are all the same. Anyway, it's somehow accepted. Tell me, what do you do for a living?
Me? I don't do anything. I just eat, sleep, walk around, hang out. I don't do anything.
Just that?
Just that. I don't do anything.
I see. Then I want to employ you as my personal driver. Do you drive?
Yeah, I drive.
You do?
Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
That would be delightful. I mean, absolutely.
Good. Then get yourself prepared because you're starting work just next week.
Okay.
And the payment will be 2 million cedis a month.
2 million cities? Agreed. 2 million cities? Oh man! You're gonna pay me 2 million? I pocket the food already.
So it's been agreed.
Yeah, I agree.
But on one condition.
What condition? Any condition. I mean, I don't mind. Anything. Any condition. Just say it.
Any condition?
Any condition. Whatever.
On condition that you will be my boyfriend.
Just for today, you have to finish this food.
Hey, Diamond. Yes. Make sure he finishes everything.
And in case you need to, just draw my attention. I'll be out of the kitchen.
Oh, why? I don't mean to do that.
No. I want to leave the two of you so that you just sweet
Bon appetit.
Merci.
That's your allergy. So keep your allergy and let me keep mine.
I've got money. Lots and lots of money.
How about this money?
Brother Larry gave it to me.
For what?
He said he loves me and he wants to marry me and take care of my education. Isn't that great?
Diamond, have I told you I cannot look after you? Have I? Oh, you've started collecting money from people. Brother Larry gave this to you and you were so happy, right? For what? Diamond, be cautious of city men. Be cautious of city men. They will start giving you this for toffees and biscuits and whatnot. Followed by lefty and then latte. You are happy over it. Come on, give me the money. Give me the money at once. Let's go. Where is he? Follow me. Hey, Larry! Come on, hurry up. Hey, where is he? Larry! You're good. Where is he? Hey, Larry, or whatever you call yourself, stay out of my daughter's life, right? I don't want to see you with my daughter again, okay?
I don't understand.
You will not understand too. And what is this? Huh? What is this? Nonsense. Have I asked you to cater for her for me? Are you the one going to look after her at school? Fool.
But mommy, Brother Larry is a nice young man. He has promised to marry me.
Will you shut up? What do you know about marriage? Disappointed. Don't be, because I'm not going to leave him. Oh God. Disgust me. I don't put the meat here. Fine.
Be calling you father, right? How dare you take advantage of my mother? How dare you?
It's not what you
Oh, you shut up that ugly mouth of yours. Do you know what I'm thinking? I called you red-handed making love to my mother and you're here telling me it's not what I think. Are you insane? Look, let this be the very first and last time I ever catch you with my mother, or she wouldn't live to tell your story. You understand? Gigolo. Handsome young man like you allow yourself to be misused? Why are you even going out with a lady that is capable of being your mother?
It's not like that. I mean, I try to resist her, except it's not easy. It's just not easy.
So you decided to get a taste of her, right?
Not really.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Men, they always don't have girlfriends.
It's not like that.
You're handsome. I think I like you.
It's true.
Hey, Diamond. So don't you know how to breathe? Huh?
Hold that woman.
It's up to her. She only knows why she's behaving like that.
Do you want me to leave?
Leave? Absolutely no. I own this place. She doesn't.
But like family, so...
Take it easy. Are you scared or something like that? Huh?
Oh well.
Take it easy, my baby.
Okay, so where were we?
Larry, what kind of games are you playing with us? You're sleeping with me and at the same time screwing my mother. I thought you promised to stop the relationship with my mother, didn't you?
I know I said that. Diamond, you don't understand. Every time I try to avoid your mother, she uses my job to blackmail me. And you know it's not easy getting a job nowadays. That's why.
So, are you promising me that if I was to get you another job, you would quit the relationship with my mother?
Definitely. Sure thing.
Then, when she gets back, I want you to immediately tell her that you're quitting her job and you don't want to work with her anymore.
But what if she asks me, like, why do I want to leave? What do I say?
Must you give her a reason for everything? You have your own life and you can choose whatever you want to do with it.
Well, on second thought, yeah, you're right. I don't need to give her a reason. Yeah, you're right.
You know I've always been right.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. I mean, you were desperately in need of this job, and why do you now want to quit?
I'm sure you're aware the way your daughter attacks me everywhere. From the garage, the kitchen, just basically everywhere. I can't handle it anymore. I'm fed up.
Okay. If my daughter is the problem, you leave that to me. I can handle her, right? Because you don't have to go.
I'm sorry. My mind is made up. And I want to leave. My mind is made up. Not even you can change it. I want to leave and I will leave. I'm sorry.
Are you serious? Excuse me. Larry? Larry! Larry!
Wanted to be Mashanya Miani Monyam. Sawa Chatuano, and one now by Namswa. We are Bonia Osia, we are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonia Mosia, a fan now, Otano, Otanunarapa.
So there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh, I cannot do anything about it. That's what you think. You think I can't do anything about it, eh?
What on earth can you do? Throw me out or tell Alaji? He won't even believe you.
Oh, I will do both. I will do both. Because you are as promiscuous as a whore. A real whore.
I inherited it from you. Like mother, like daughter. Foolish girl.
Foolish girl. Shawo. Shawo kekele. Jamani asafo. Stupid fool.
Yes, Mashanya Miani Monyam. Sawa chatu wano, NAANA ubenam suo. We are Bonia Osia, we are Papa Swasa. Why are Bonia Mosia, and fair now Utano, Otenuna Rapa.
I met Larry first.
Get to Larry first. You decided to rub shoulders with me, eh? Any man I go in for, you also come there. I went in for Alaji, you went there. I went for Larry too, now you are there. What is wrong with you? You say cross.
I met Larry first, mother. You know nonsense. Don't tell me that you know I met Larry first. And tell me you persuaded me into leaving him alone. I'm not going to do that for the second time. So you better go look for your old man, okay?
Are you sick or something?
Do I look sick to you?
Don't you know?
But you can't compete with me. Mother, you can't compete with this beautiful body, can you?
We'll see next to Namajre. Woba. And you what? I saw night and I don't want sa and it's sunny. That's a short on sa. Na cabbage, I would be a sunny abama share.
Look, lady, I advise you to go and look for your old man, okay? And leave Larry alone. Just leave him alone.
I should stay away from Larry. Yes. What put down? What put down? Now they say what you need. Baby, I'm going to be a good one. You want a rubber? It's your need.
Leave Larry alone. Leave Larry alone.
So are you going to slap me or what? Are you going to slap me or what? Huh? A whore like you, any man I go in for, she will be there for that person. What is the meaning of nonsense?
Sweetheart.
Oh, honey. Welcome.
Thank you. What is happening? What's happening to your mom?
Just forget about her, you know, she's in one of those mood swings.
I see. Your mom, this problem of hers, I don't know. I think it's menopause. I think she's in a menopause. She's growing old, yes?
Just forget about her, let's get
out. A friend of mine calls it menopausal syndrome. Don't mind it. Let's go.
Let's get out of this crazy house.
gbadun ko